Hello and welcome, my dear students and my viewers, to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. This is Miss Ruchika welcoming you to a short doubt session. This is regarding a question that my grade 10 student has asked me, and this is from the module of logarithmic function. So it's a last minute query, but in order to explain it well to all of you and to my student, I've made this short video. If any one of you also has the same query in question, I hope this video will clear your doubts, if any. Okay, so this is a doubt that has come from one of my students, Salama, from grade 10 Elite for the coming exam. This is from the module of logarithmic function. So let's discuss. In this question, it's a higher order question. You need to persevere, and without using a calculator, you need to compare these three log values. This is the first value, the second value, and the third value. So when we compare and contrast, we have to say which is the greatest value out of these three, which is the smallest and which is in between. That's what the question is asking, and you also need to explain your answer. You need to give reasons and justification why you say that. Okay, so let's have a little closer look at these three values: log 751, log 861, and log um, 971. Now all of them have different base, but if you see, the base is having a difference of 1 and the number x is here having the difference of 10. So 51, then you add 10, 61, add then 10 again, 71. Now, in order to compare them, we have to compare them from one equal value. Okay, so we need to choose a value from which we can compare them, and hence all these three things we'll compare with the same number, and then we can say whether it is which one is bigger, which one is smaller, and all of that. So here in this question, we are comparing it with the number 2. Okay, just see how we are doing this comparison. So log 751 is more than 2. And why you are so sure it is more than 2? Because if you take the square of 7, what is the square? 71, right? Sorry, the square of 7 is 49, and this 49 is less than 51. So if 49 is less than 51, then we can say log 7, like I can write here, 49 is less than 51. So now if you take log of both sides, the inequality will not change. So we are taking log of both sides, and because the base which is considered here is 7, so log 749 will be compared with log 751, right? Now log 749, this is logarithmic, we can convert to exponential. So what it will be if we want to find its value? Log 749. Okay, so let it be value y. Now if you convert to exponential, by definition what it will come? It will come base to the power y is 49. So what is your y? That means you need to say what power of 7 is 49. So the power of 7, which is 49, is 2. So that means this whole value is equal to 2. This is 2. So you can easily say that your log 751 is more than 2. Okay, so this is one expression which you have got, and that's why you say it is more than 2. Now the next one you are comparing is again 2. Now if you ask me, that was Salama's question, why miss we are comparing with 2? We are comparing with 2 because if you take the next value also here, log 861, log 861. Okay, I'm writing it in this way. This you are comparing with 2. Why? Because if you take again the same thing, square of 8, it is 64, and then 64 is bigger than 61. So again if you take log of both sides, but this time you will take base 8, okay, because you are comparing with this. So this is going to be more than log base 861. So this is the value we are looking at, and in a similar way, if you convert this log to exponential, you will get this as 8 uh, 8 square, and then you know it is 2. So 2 is more. That means your finally log 861 is here less than 2. Okay, so that's why you say the second condition. Again, then log 971, we are again comparing with 2, and why we do that? Same concept now. 81 is the square of 9, and this square 81 is more than 71, so therefore log 971 is less than 2. That's the concept. So that's why we use the number 2 here, because we are taking into exponent and converting into powers. Therefore, now you can see very clearly that log 751 is more, this is less, this is also less. So which one is the greatest? It is only asking you for greatest. It is not asking you for the next least. So out of the three, definitely the first one, log 751, is the greatest. That was the query by one of my students, Salama. So I hope, Salama, you understood why we are taking 2. And if you have forgotten, I will quickly write here for you. If you have exponent form base to the power x equal to y, you can convert it into log form as using log the base b y equal to x. So that is what conversion we have used for log to exponent. So I hope the question is solved and understood clearly by all of you, those who have a similar doubt. And this is Miss Ruchika signing off from the short video, which was for the last minute doubts that are coming from grade 10. Wishing you all a very best of luck and good luck from my side for your coming exams. I would suggest you not to panic, to be confident, to revise and prepare well. Remember, confidence also comes with good preparation, so you still have a lot of time. Just revise the important questions and go through the formula sheets that are given at the end of each module in your math book. That is going to really help you. Go through the key concepts and always remember that's mostly for math questions, like word problems and other things. Most of the things are given in the question itself. So read the question well, don't panic, spend good time on each question. But then yes, as per the number of questions which are going to be there in your exam, 25 multiple choice, and the timer that you have for completing 2 hours, you should not be spending more than 3 minutes on each question. So if you feel stuck, my advice would be to go on and move on to the next question. Just in the first go, do all the questions that you feel confident, and after that you can always come back to those questions where you feel stuck. So wish you all the best and good luck. I'm sure each one of you watching my video are going to do well and do your best. Bye bye.